Welcome back, Techatonians, to another Autel Evo review series. Now this video is going to be about how to set up your new drone. In this case, this is the Autel Evo II Pro 6K. Now let's quickly jump into the setup and see what it takes to get going with the drone. Now first, what you want to do is you want to download the app called Autel Explorer. You could find that on your App Store, either Android or iOS. When you download the app, you're going to click open, and then it's going to, on iOS, ask you if you want to allow the location. Then you click allow while using the app, and you're going to choose which drone you have. I have the Evo 2. Now it's going to tell you to power on the remote. So I got my phone on the remote. It's going to say power on the remote control, unfold the remote control handles and connect to the smartphone. So to power the remote, you're going to click the power button, and it's going to say Evo 2. And now it says powering up. Now it says connecting, and now it says plug in the cable. So when you buy your Autel Evo, you get these two cables. Now you get a USB-C to micro USB and micro to micro. For those that have iPhones, go to Amazon.com, order yourself a lightning cable, wait 2 days. When it gets shipped, then you could use your drone. I'm just kidding. Find your lightning connector that you have laying around from all your iPhones. Now, I don't know why Evo did not add lightning, but I have no idea. Anyway, grab your lightning connector, plug it into the USB slot, plug it into your iPhone slot, and when you did that, you got yourself a nice lanyard as well. And now you're gonna click next, and when you click next, it's going to say unfold the arms, remove the gimbal guard. That's important. Alright, and now when you do the whole process, unfold all the arms, remove the gimbal cover, and you connect everything, you're going to click next. And now it's going to say long press the power button on the rear of the aircraft for 3 seconds. And now it says fly with caution. So now you're ready to go, and you're going to click, well, I just started this drone, so it is going to ask you to do the whole upgrade. Update. So we're gonna click that, and the new feature is added height altitude visual positioning. So we're gonna download that. Alright, so it finished updating, and now it tells me to reboot the RC and the aircraft before use. So we're gonna turn on the aircraft. We're gonna turn off the remote control. Now we're going to turn on the remote control, and we're going to turn on the drone. And this is interesting, so it's making me test that the sticks are working. So it's asking me to press them for 1 second. Calibration successful, okay. So this was a quick video on how to set up your new Autel Evo and connect it to your smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that notification bell, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.